Hello viewers, we're here in Umpung again for the fourth time, and it's the month of December the 28th. As you can see, it's very cold out here. Just wanted to waste our precious holidays here in Umpung. Let's see today and tomorrow what will be the outcome, whether the fish will be biting or not. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Yes, come on. First catch of the day. Yay! First catch of the day. Hello viewers, today is second day of fishing, and yesterday it was not going well. The water has become cold, and let's see today what happens. So I think this will be the last for this year coming to Umpung. So we'll see again next year. So if you guys are planning to come out here, I think it's better to stop, because the water has become cold, except if you want to come for picnic or for trekking or water rafting. It's a good place, and during the daytime it's still warm, but during the night time it's very cold. Yesterday could not sleep 3-4 times. I have to wake up because it's very cold and very windy. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Do share, subscribe and like. Thank you. Sini koi. Ada biang size. Di kebiang exercise. Ada kebiang ni nak sakut ni lah. Oh sakut lah. Oh tutup lah alat. Dok Adi biang lek size. Adi ka biang lek size. Adi ka klanya lek. Alek ski. Kalau biang lek size. Odi. Oh di bil abiang tu lek size ani kalat nak ke ikte. Sedin. Ya bola. Tak pahaman nak. Ulang buat mana?
Oh, ya bolang oh. Tak. Enggak tahu. Kawan main apa main?
Dah. Dia suapan lete. Ada kalau abiang nak size ni. Oh kalau abiang nak pakai kelatan. Từng xong để pet tak di pet coba telak.
Siang lah. Oh, siang, kasih siang. Air aku ada kok. Ang derem to. Siang.
Oh biang teh.
Ai bisa tak?
Angin na jurong. Ai lah. Dia lah biang lek teh. Kau telat cai. Up. Dah, finally.
Akhir dah ni dah.
Ni. Tensong lah. Wow, well catch. Hello viewers, so we have come to the end of this fishing trip for 2 days. So it's time to head back home. So the fishes weren't biting that much. So some we caught few fishes. So let us weigh the weight of the fish. How much? Kita tahu bang tu. Terserah sini. So as you can see, almost 2 kilograms, so not so bad. So hope you like our fishing vlog. So do support us by subscribing, sharing and liking. Thank you.